battle over the teddy bear. Uh-oh, so far it's Chiquito. He says, I got it. Buster. Bandito says, I'll get you off this thing. That's their little training pad, by the way. It's supposed to be for peeing, but the grass thing, both of them are, but I think they think it's more of a wrestling ring. Get it, guys, get it. Oh, boy. Bandito's got the advantage because Chiquito's on a slippery surface. Yay, Bandito! Chiquito says, I'll show you. Uh-oh, Bandito's putting him back where he wants him on the slippery surface. Oh, Chiquito got it. Yay, Chiquito! Hey. Look to the camera, babies. Look to the camera. You're too busy. Love these guys. No, don't chew on the little pad. Good Lord. Oh, goodness. It is a clean pad, by the way.